What's going on, guys? It's Cody, and the other Cody is not here because today we have a special surprise for him. So today is Cody's birthday, so we decided we wanted to get a group of the friends together and go hit the stunt lot, which you guys have, well, actually no, we didn't post that video yet. But yeah, there's a new stunt lot over here on the north side, real close to us. We went last week. He really enjoyed it. So that's what we're gonna do for him today. He had made mention about him wanting to do something like this, and it's already been planned. So little does he know, he's gonna get exactly what he wanted for his birthday. So yes, my little self loaded the bikes into the bed of the truck by myself, and then our buddy Chris came over. Say what's up, Chris. Ah, what happened?
He said, oh, okay.
Oh no, what are you?
It's already janky anyways.
That shit's, what? I mean, it was solid.
It wasn't that solid.
I mean, it was solid enough to not need to put pressure on it, you know. Damn, that's the second time it's broken.
It broke like a fucking rotted out twig.
It did, it sounded like
Damn.
that too.
Well, that's that. My subframe's broken again. So, but yeah, like I was saying, we're here. We're gonna go out to the stunt lot and basically just gonna go enjoy, have some fun. We got meat from the meat market. We got food, coolers, like basically like canopy, like pretty much everything we need in order to have fun. Say hi to the viewers, Jax. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
So we got my son here. We got wifey. We got Chris showed up, pulled the trailer out so we could load the Grom and the R1 up. Cody is at brunch or lunch or breakfast with his wife, and then she's gonna blindfold him and bring him over to the lot. That way he doesn't know where we're going. So got everything loaded up, locking up shop, about to head to the gas station, gonna pick up some ice, and then we're gonna head to the lot and start setting up. So see you guys there. Okay guys, we made it to the lot. We are here, we're getting everything unloaded. We got all the bikes out here. Shout out to Jaron, he showed up. Say what's up. Happy birthday, Cody. Obviously, you know, we got the wifey and baby Jax there. We got Jerry in the building, he showed up. And there's Chris, y'all saw him earlier. Hi. We got Lauren and Macy in the car over there. But yeah, we unloading the toys, guys. They said they're about 30 minutes out, so we're getting all set up and ready for them. All right, so just got word from Marie that Cody and her are about to pull in. Everybody's here. We got all the bikes out. There they are. I think he's still blindfolded, so.
Surprise!
Surprise! Happy fucking birthday!
Good job! You said surprise! Hey, dude! Say
Boom!
happy birthday!
What's up, buddy?
Hot day, fuck yeah!
Yeah. You so fast?
Got your boy Cody out here doing some wheelies. There he goes, he's getting it, y'all. Got wifey out here on the Grom. She's so dope. All these people right here dope. Surprising me for my B-day. Hey! There it is. Best friend out here wheeling. I ain't never wheelied before. For me, man, this stuff right here is the coolest. We got the kiddos out here. It's all family, man. This stuff right here is just life. These boys just out here getting it, ripping it. Bunch of fun. Got the DRZ rolling up. Boys racing. That thing moves now.
Happy birthday, my brother.
Hey.
Love you.
Love you too, bro.
Had a blast.
Bye, Sarah. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Cody.
Thank you, buddy. Love you.
Buddy.
Hey, buddy. I was just telling everybody how much I love this.
Yeah.
We got family out here.
Right.
Just doing our thing. Riding, enjoying life.
Hell yeah. We're our best buddies.
Love all y'all.
Hell yeah, we love you too.
What do you do? Rip off my seat?
Ah.
Be something else. Thank Chris broke my quad. Stop. 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 Kickstand. She's something else. So I think Chris broke my new fuel tank. Pretty sure. Just saying. The one and only Tiffany.
Well, guys, first of all, what did you think of your birthday? Look at this man. He is cherry. Look at that tan. Ooh. Show me your neck. Look at that neck. It's red, y'all. Look at that tan line.
I had the best birthday ever.
That's awesome.
Thanks to my wifey and my best friend.
That's
And all
awesome.
the surrounding peoples.
Yeah. Well, that's good. What you turning?
32.
32. That's cool.
3 twice.
Right? We love threes around here.
Yeah.
That's really gonna be it for this video.
Yeah,
I think.
we rode until the sun went down.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Sensor, just straight sensor.
Right? It's not an invitation, so don't get any ideas. Yeah,
Yeah, right? That was had a great freaking time. We actually are learning how to wheelie, guys.
Right? My man is killing it over here. That boy like at least a 15-second wheelie.
Yeah, I mean, from there all the way down to the other end on the Grom.
Yeah.
I could do it fast on the 450, but I was on the Grom like
Just
20
coasting.
miles an hour.
Yeet, yeet.
So yes, we are getting it. This is day 2 in the lot, so just think, you know, when you see us in a month.
Day, you know, yeah, 35.
Day 47.
Yeah. Ah, beautiful riding off into the
But
sunset.
if y'all like this content, please leave a comment. Let us know. Like it. More bikes.
Yeah.
Of course, subscribe if you have not. Terry, we see you. Bethany, we see y'all. Y'all better subscribe.
And y'all just honestly, this is the time to comment. Leave a comment down below and say happy birthday to my man's Cody right here. Well, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video.
Cut it. Cut it.
You need to cut it. Y'all need to subscribe, really.
Bye.